For me alone, me alone. Rebel your name, gyal, bad your bad. Rebel your name, gyal, bad your bad. Rebel your name, gyal, bad your bad.
Vlog. Just finished doing a little like makeup thing. I'm tired as hell. Matt is on the phone annoying my soul. Say hello, Matt. You not gonna say hi? This nigga suck his teeth. To my vlog. Say hello.
You mean my vlog? Hi, my vlog.
Goodbye. This is not your vlog.
I'm taking over the vlog.
Taking over the vlog, nothing. Go get your own channel.
So Eminem 4L.
MNN4L, you tried it. We ain't no DK gang.
Eminem gang.
We sound like Eminem, like.
Yeah.
Anywho, I'm about to go downtown and get some pizza. I got invited to get some pizza. So I ain't paying. I'm gonna crib. My dad got me more kunk and whatnot. I'm about to cut that bad boy open. My camera hasn't been charged for like 5 days, and now I'm getting my first 1 bar. I'm about to charge that. What the hell? This shit is hot. Just let me ride. Look at that conch, guys. This is oak. Ooh, that shit is hot. It's the okra, and the conch is hiding under the okra. They gave me mad okra. I love okra too. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm about to be out. So I'll talk to y'all whenever. My hair looking bad. Got all type of makeup in it, but I'm about to finesse that. So I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, I'm leaving the crib. I'm leaving the crib. I don't know if I should bring my camera. I can't sing, guys, but yeah. I don't know if I should bring my camera. Let me see if it fits in my bag, and then we'll be able to tell after these clips. But if not, you know I will be snapping. You already know. Yeah, I'm about to get a fan, all type of crazy. That's what me. Yeah, I'm about to get a fan, all type of crazy. I got the fan right here. It's like 2:35, I would like to say. Saturday morning. I was supposed to be at a party right now at Roof Nightclub, but I'm just like, fuck it, I ain't going no more because I gotta make sure my suitcase is well secured. Since I don't have a ride going over tomorrow to go to the airport, I have a ride. I was supposed to I have a flight at 9 a.m. Sunday morning, 9:51. So the ideal time to leave would be Sunday at like midnight. 1, 2. No, I lied. Probably like Sunday at 6, 7. Probably leave a Sunday at like 4 a.m. But I don't have a cab going over, and I'm not wasting another $100 because I wasted $100 to the airport just to be told that I wasn't going nowhere no more. So I'll be taking a Knutsford shuttle, which is like a bus. Well, y'all should know. Y'all saw it in my vlog, Dream Weekend, where I took it from the grill all the way to freaking Port Antonio. So the last bus that leaves tomorrow is at 3 o'clock. And it wouldn't make sense to take it on Sunday because I have a 9 o'clock flight. And that shit only leaves at 8 o'clock on Sunday. So, yeah. I'm not gonna risk myself missing my flight. So, I'll have to leave tomorrow at 3 o'clock and go right into Kingston and stay at my uncle's house. I really don't want to stay there. That's my uncle that everyone's on my Snapchat last time. one of my rich uncles, whatever. He's the one that does like, he was the one like for Kano, as you see, like the little pretty seats or whatever. Him and his wife have their own decor business, like for decorations, chair rentals, all that extra stuff. So I'm about to go over there. Usually when I'm over there I'm bored, I'll just sit down and be on the internet all day because ain't nothing to do. My little cousin is over there, but she's like a baby. Not a baby, but she's like, I would say 9 or 8. What are we gonna do? Nothing. So yeah. I'm really mad I have to leave in the afternoon on the bus. I wish the bus came up, like, leave a little later. At least 8 o'clock. I'd have been fine leaving at 8 o'clock. I'd have reached town at like 10, 11. I'm tired as hell, guys. Tired as hell. But yeah, I want to talk, not talk as I said before, because I kept on delaying it. Damn, I'm really tired, so forgive me, my mind slipped, but why do niggas lie? Because I don't have time. Like, why do Jamaican men lie the most? Because I don't have time. And I'm saying this because I know my old ex's girlfriend or whatever you want to call it is probably gonna watch this shit, because if you have me on Snapchat, which I think y'all should add me because everyone on Snapchat gets it first, people just be trying me. Like, I really don't want to tell the story because I want to make it into a story time, but let's just say, like, y'all see my ex in my other vlogs, Jay, y'all see it. Apparently we had a big blowout on Snapchat and Instagram. He basically told a lie on me, all because him and his girlfriend get into an argument. I don't even know how I got into it. I got into it because I posted I posted something about the guy. There was a situation where some guy had got locked up on 42nd Street for almost bombing it up. So I put, damn, bro got caught, and I guess they was having an argument and they thought it was me. But it's just like, it's so funny of how you know I made a comment, shorty, if I don't have you on Instagram. Granted, my Instagram is public, but I noticed that mad people that they watch my Instagram when I post that, and I don't have them as a friend, but it wasn't her. Feel me? So I'm like, where did that come from? Did Jay use me as a coy to kill the drama from him because I'm hearing he lived with a gal or something? So yeah, like, but it's funny because I got here Friday night. I got here Friday afternoon. I got in Puerto Rico like around 1 o'clock, right? Because I landed at 9. Got on a 10:30 bus, 11:12. Yeah, I put it to like 12:31. Got in my crib. That was Friday. Went to Crystal nightclub for their anniversary party. Saturday is Kaono, my uncle and party. As y'all see when I post the videos, I went to the party, came home. Me and my cousins is home. They left like 15 minutes later, Dana and Kayla. And then I'm just sitting on my bed and I get a private number. Now, I don't know what it is, but like when you private your number from a Jamaican number in Jamaica, it comes up as 000 or plus 000, not private, as it would if you was like in America. So I knew it was a Jamaican number because at the bottom it said Jamaica, da-da-da. So then I clicked there, I said hello, the person hang up. Within 2 seconds after it hanging up, I ring again. My phone screen says G. I'm just like, I could have sworn I blocked this number. I mean, he's blocked off Instagram, he's blocked off Facebook, he's blocked off WhatsApp. I probably didn't block his number. So he's calling me. I pick up the phone. I go, hello. Hang up the phone. Call again. Hello. Hang up the phone. Call again. Hello. Hang up the phone. Call again. Hello. Hang up the phone. Like, he kept on hanging up. So I hit my cut, so I screen. Every time he did it, I screenshot it. I don't play that. I send it to my friends, and it's in my call log. I don't play that because these niggas be lying on people's name. Like, oh, da-da-da, she want me, da-da-da. I drove her around because she paid for the car. I did not pay no type of gas. Niggas need to stop lying on my name. I don't get it. Like, people be frightened for foreigner, and I'm not saying it. I'm saying this in the humblest way possible. Like, I'm really not trying to talk my shit or talk down to him, but it's just like, stop lying on me, bro. Like, really stop lying on me. Last year was the first time we ever got so cool. Like, we were friends last year. Like, this is the first time we didn't argue last year. Like, we was just chilling. Went out with my cousins. He was there. Like, I felt comfortable because none of my friends wasn't there. So he was just like my friend at the time. Like, I was able to go everywhere. I didn't ask him to go nowhere. I didn't tell him to. It's numerous times I said, yo, you can put gas in the car because I'm driving around. He said, nah. Like, I felt at home like when we was kids. Like, when that whole TZN translation shit started, when I was in my living room in this crib. Like, I don't like that shit. So yeah, like, I don't play that. He probably gonna watch this too. Like, I got your shit in my phone, my guy, and my friends got my screenshots as well. I don't play that sneaky shit. And then yesterday, and the day after that, and then a couple hours after that now, I went to my cousin's crib, and I'm over there, and he called again. And I feel like this nigga either didn't think I was gonna pick up, or he probably thought his number was on private still or some shit like that. But I kept on saying hello, he kept on banging the phone. Now I went to the airport. My flight got delayed. I come home. I post on Snapchat first that I got stuck in. I'm stuck in Port Antonio. I just came from the airport and I'm stuck in Port Antonio for 2 more extra days until Sunday. 5 minutes after that, I took the video off and I put it on my Insta Snap. Mind you, he's blocked on everything. And usually he signed into his friend's page, his Instagram, on his man's or whatever. I'm not gonna say his name, but he was about to vlog briefly. And watch my stuff. So I didn't see the friend watch nothing. I mean, the friend did watch stuff prior to calling, and probably that's how he knew I was home to call me. But he didn't watch some of my stuff. So like 5-7 minutes after I posted that on Instagram and Snapchat, my phone ring. It's his number. I go, hello. Phone is hung up. Call again. I said, hello. Oh, you're good? I'm like, I'm always good. What do you want? Why you on my phone? Nothing. Just I check if you're alright. And I'm like, alright, I'm good. You can get off my phone now. Alright. And I bang the phone. Like, goodbye. Why are you checking for me, sis? Check for your gal. Check for your girlfriend. Like, the fuck? Like, the fuck is wrong with these people? This is how people put people in problem. Like, why you on my life? We had a friendship. We had understanding. And that's deaded. Like, that's deaded. Period. Let's scratch the fact that you tell everybody I'm your gal, making me feel uncomfortable when I'm chilling with people. Because when I'm chilling with people, you have niggas saying like, oh, niggas taking their gal from you and that. I'm not your gal. I only got one man. Stop playing with me. I don't do that shit. Yeah, and then today, right after I got off the camera, and I'm like, hey guys, like, you know, I might bring my camera and be snapping or whatever. I go on the phone. I'm walking down the block, whatever, to go to the seaside to get a cab. I called Ty and whatever, because me and Ty supposed to go get pizza, which we did. Everybody probably like, oh, Ty, yeah, Ty. I spoke to Ty. He apologized, whatever. We're on a common understanding. Like, it's not fully okay, but we're on a common understanding. Like, we chill. I mean, people gonna talk regardless. Like, if I walk next to a damn cockroach, you're gonna be like me and the cockroach together. I feel like if I was a regular, schmegler, Cardi B voice, y'all, like, that lived here, like, that wasn't born in America, people wouldn't pay me so much money. But because I'm American, it's so hard to be American being here, because everybody basically is in competition to get you. And then when they get you, have a situation where they're your friend, they make it seem to other people like, yeah, either they friends and she minding me or giving me stuff, or I'll walking around with her or use her, or either, oh yeah, that's my gal, or I'm fucking it, and they be straight lies. Like, people need to know what to pick away from the truth and the lies, or some stuff like, this fan is getting cold out or whatever. But yeah, like, I go in a cab, and usually I never sit in the front seat of the cab when I'm in Jamaica. The back part is full, so I was like, let me hop in the front. I hop in the front and I go in the car. I look out the window. So funny how I look out the window, because me and Jake kind of live in the same community, but he lives way up top. I haven't seen him this whole time since he's been here. So that already shows me that him and his gal is already still talking, even though I hear she's screaming single. Cause you know you're not gonna be trying to be seen with me. Even though when you was disrespecting your girl, you still came to my crib and tried to talk to me and all type of shit. You really didn't care. But then switched it around and started telling her like, oh, I was doing that feeling for you. Which I don't understand how she even thinks that. Do you see how I look right now? But you see I'm hot in people in town. Like, I'm not some ugly gal. Only thing I got is a birthmark that I don't like. Like, goodbye. But anyways, I get in a cab and I look out the window like 2 seconds after the car, like not even 2 seconds, like 15, 20 seconds after the car pull off. I look up, I see bro make eye contact with me. So as he made eye contact with me, he put his head down and started rolling his weed and walked away. Like, I know you see me, sis. Like, I know you see me. And I know I see you. You feel me? Like, he been trying to hide this whole time, trying to make contact with me. I feel like he felt if I had picked up the phone and gave a better attitude, he would actually try to link me, which he always does when I come here. Like, he'll call my phone, like, yo, when you're there, you're good. Like, he be like the first person to know I'm probably here. You feel me? But all that, sometimes you gotta know when to cut friendships. Like, I've been giving this guy chances since I was a kid. He's been lying on me since I was a kid. Like, I'm a Pisces, man. Like, I'm sweet. I'm a sweetheart. For me, so I give chances. I shouldn't give chances, but I do give chances. It takes a while in me to like cut somebody off. You have to really piss me off over and over for me to cut you off. And I think my breaking point is at that with him. Like, it ain't no beef. Like, he lied. Like, only people on Snapchat would know what I'm talking about. But like I said, I'm trying to keep it as a story time. But bro lied. Like, don't do that. That's a serious lie too. Or some people judge. That's a serious lie. Don't do that. Like, that was mad corny. Like, I understand you're trying to make it seem to your girl like we not cool or you're not the one that's feeding when you are. But like, damn, don't do that. Like, especially I'm not the one to argue because I don't argue without coming with facts. Like, I don't delete nothing. I don't do that shit. And I'm not ashamed. If I do something, I'm not scared to talk. Like, I have no shame. Ain't nothing about having shame. I just turned 24. I was 23 when this argument happened. I've been mature for my age, and I feel like should I do? We all make mistakes. We all have make mistakes to learn lessons and stuff. Like, bro, you was my lesson. Stuff that I did with you was my lesson. You feel me? Like, I'm not ashamed. So if a gal to be like, yo, I'm like, yes, like, I'm gonna put you on. I don't care. Drag it with your friends. I'm not no kid. Like, I'm grown. You feel me? I'm not 12, 11. Like, nobody got time for that. But anyways, oh, I saw Jay-Z and Beyonce today. They're on their on the run tour thing. So I guess they're shooting their videos. So she was just know she gonna be in a video in a boat on water, being like sailing across, and she's like in this bluish green turquoise, whatever color that is, thing. I kind of Snapchatted it, whatever, but it's gonna be blurry if I do put it in here. It's not blurry because they told us as soon as I was recording, they told me to cut the camera off because they didn't want nobody recording because somebody already leaked. They was in Trenchtown, Jamaica, but they staying at some resort in Frenchman Cove. So yeah, they had downtown around. She was waving everybody. I like Beyonce, but I don't like Beyonce to the extent. She's like it don't work. Don't get me wrong. She's Queen Bee forever. Queen Bee. Her standards, her money, her loyalty, everything. Her loyalty. I dragged it. Her standards, her worth, her everything is up there. Like, she's the shit. No funny, but I'm a Rihanna fan. I love Rihanna because Rihanna is so me. Everybody knows I love Rihanna. Pisces gang. Like, Rihanna acts like me. Do not give a fuck. Only thing difference between me and Rihanna is she has more money and smokes, and I'm just here chilling. Feel me? So yeah. But otherwise, yeah, I'm about to go pack, go to my bed. This shit is 60 minutes long. I've never been talking for 60 minutes a day in my life. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, it's 10:35 Saturday morning. I am up. Found out I have to take a Knutsford bus to go see my uncle. Because ain't nobody wasting $12,000, aka $100 on another cab when I wasted $100 to go to the airport. So I'm about to run down to my grandma's crib and see what she wants because she called for me. And I'm about to run into the town. I be forgetting that I have my AirPods in. It's like it's glued to my ear. Oh.
What was the car? It's not key, Jabby.
What reservation? For the bus? Oh, okay. Alright. Grandma? You see Rosie? 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 I don't see her. I don't see her.
Moment.
Oh, yeah? This is the pair where Beyonce and Jay-Z had a video shoot yesterday by this water. Also the same place I gotta go to get the bus. So I'm about to go pay for that right now. I'm so happy I didn't bring my large Canon because I'd have been tight. Because I'm struggling now to hold this little camera. Imagine how I'd be with the Canon. I'll hurry up and get this seat because there's only 4 left, I heard. And I gotta go run around and buy stuff. It's so pretty over here. This is where my snaps was when I was in Bikini Beach, but they shut that shit down. I mean, it's still called Bikini Beach because it's the beach over here technically, but the whole bar area and stuff like that, what Jamie was working at, shut that shit down. Let me go book his reservation. Be right back. Him very cute.
Very, 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 very nice. And you know, still like daddy, no time. Like even when he did small. Like,
I can't say them look alike. Them look alike, but Jolly just more dark and rough.
I come like some old hog. KJ nice as ever. He talk nice, he do every, yo.
Him see me up a barber shop yesterday, which is true because we look there with tie.
A good boy, man. Yeah, you see that guy that tell her in very nice and humble.
KJ, me like KJ, man.
He humble. He said, Mr. Bed, you know. He said, KJ, you can't take him for 1 week. You can't take him, make a prison.
So me I go over there, I just take a shower and go about my business. Can't believe me I leave. You try to get an early bus come over. Come can't bother with the amount of money for spending over Montego Bay. More Montego Bay in the grill. I can't over this.
So how you gonna reach Montego Bay for them? Oh, you ride the bus from Negril.
I stop at Montego Bay.
And you change the bus driver.
It just stop 2 stops. It just stop at Montego Bay. It just stop at the port. Ochi.
Yeah. You're rich. Every minute it has a reconnecting, not sure.
Mama auntie shop. Yeah, 9.
Eh? Rich, eh? Me not hear. Oh, yeah, just a listener now. Pay attention to me. Yeah, Nakish, hold on.
Who that?
Richard.
Hello. Hi, how are you? It's Jody over here, Raspy.
Alright, tourist. Everything has a reconnecting. I'm not sure
Huh?
what's going on.
Yeah, my son KJ over here to talk to me. The reconnect.
You said before.
What?
The pillow make it take say before.
What y'all gonna do? Get me the tambourine.
Yeah, we can go and get some more so we could put them in the bag. We can put them in a bag.
One tablet to be taken 2 times daily before meals.
Take some tambourine. I got some offer. I got some offer.
The salt part comes down.
Eh?
Drop down.
Hey! About time.
You fella baby.
That's my girl, that's her thing set up, you know?
Yeah.
What about the one cut is
What about the one cut for you?
See your body?
One time me that go out that house.
That before.
Eh?
One time me that go out.
Yeah.
You cannot fly.
Yeah.
Because you can't let the water problem. If you're so bright though.
I can't go back to the camera.
Okay,
What even know you up here?
That's
Well,
again.
take care of.
My car, my mom never tell me.
Why did I put on my damn it?
Number one, you know? Clyde.
Me up every day, baby, no. I'm going to say 2 days, I'm going to me the sickest I never get to come up here. I know something.
I saw them stay.
I run, go downtown, because I never forgot taste this, you know. I know something I'm going to buy, but too much people in on my face. I mean, for my glasses.
Add that again.
So I just run, I say, I'm come over baby, and some little time I pray them got me yard.
Absolutely, honey. Absolutely.
And I'm at the ear too, everybody on my face with the ear.
Oh, they want expensive earring.
Not the bigger five, but...
Nobody not tell if you left earring.
Yes, bigger five, so you want ear for getting girl.
Oh, we are saying. Then what you not going to find go buy?
Me don't know him.
I can't gear. That's what you look here.
Me like him, my interest like girl. I give me beard joke.
Look here, open the place where we go in the makeup place. You remember one night?
Which girl?
Way up there, one slim girl that sit down there. My cousin.
Him nice, I got my last time.
Yeah, man. Look very nice.
A film place?
She's not here. She's on a doctor.
What's you know? It's the one that said one more this for the day. After that, before meal. I said, this I want to know. This I want to protect.
Yo, they move fast, isn't it? Can't you not me already? They move fast.
After meal. After meal. And they want to know, they say me have to drink enough water with this. Drink plenty water. 1 tablet to be taken 2 times daily. At midday. At midday and in the evening after meals. After meals. Then me not not for them.
Vlogging.
Richard.
Vlogging.
Babe? Yeah, $100 we can buy. Hey, buddy. Babe. Babe. Babe.
Yeah.
Where baby there? Where baby there?
Who want me?
Yes, one there goes in my ear. I have to eat something to take it with you.
Let's go inside the shop.
Babe, this
Hello? Michka? Yo.
Your phone near out.
Ma'am. Let's be out. Until next time.
For me alone.